on Zoom, but you people didn't connect on with me, so that's why it's my duty to send the videos of today's computer class. So students, today I will explain the new operator and dot operator in Java. So what are new and dot? I will explain in today's video. So as you know that I am explaining the chapter that are the name of the chapter is operators in Java. So I explain the arithmetic operators, relational operators, and uh, and many more operators which you should know about, because that will play a very important role when you will move ahead to the Java classes. So students, what are the new operators? Basically new operators are used to make the Java or to make the object of particular class. So by the new operator the memory will be allocated. So let me show you what is the use of this new operator. Suppose let me show you. Okay, so you know that what are class is a keyword followed by the name of the class. So this is, you know that this is a class name. So class is a keyword, this is a keyword followed by the name of the class. This is the name of the class. And you know that the naming convention of the writing the name of the class. And I said to you that class is an imaginary thing and object is created from that imaginary thing. Also explained to you class is a building block of a program. I also explained to you that that object is a real thing, the things which exist physically in the world that are called objects. Okay, so suppose I explained that if I make a object, if I make the class animal, so that animal doesn't exist in the world. The cow, the elephant, the dog exist in the world. So animal doesn't exist. That you can say that are the class name. And objects like cow, like elephant, like dog, that that things, that the real things exist in the world, so that are the objects. So you know that as very early classes I explained that a cow can eat, a cow can walk. So these are the actions of the cow. So actions of cow in Java is called methods. And and what the next thing is, the cow contains legs, cow contain ear, cow contain hair. So these all the things is the properties of the cow. So I also explained to you the properties is called in Java, the properties are called the variables. So so if you relate these things like like the hair, legs, like ear, so these are the part of the cow. And if I relate these actions like eating, like walking, like talking, so these also are the part of the object. So when I need to call, that means when I need to access these hairs, when I need to access these ears, these legs, then how I can access? I can access it by dot operator. I can access it by dot operator. Listen very carefully. I can access it by dot operator. So dot operator are used for accessing the member variables. So the variables, the member variable means the variables, the methods, those are the part of that object will be accessed by the dot operator. So let me write one more thing. Suppose I have a variable like like int a and comma b equal to 20. So I said to you, let me write over here also, a equal to 20, 10 and b equal to 20. Suppose I need to print this a and b. So you know that these variables are just properties. So how this will happen? This will be accessed. This will be accessed by the dot operator. So so these which that means these variables is of which thing? So these variables is of you can know that these all are object. These all are of objects. So object, then dot, then that variable name. So first I need to make the object. So let me write the object name Pramod Pramod Kumar, and I will write here obj equal to new Pramod Kumar, and this one obj dot a. So I can print like this: system dot out dot println, and this one you can see this. So here the both operators are clear right now. This new operator. So this is the new operator which are used to make the objects. So how the objects will be made? First you will write the class name, then space, then object name. This is object name, so you can write any name to object like object obj1, obj2, obj3, and a, b, c, any name you can write the object name. Then after that equal, then there is a new keyword, then there will be a space, then there will be a class name, and again there will be a bracket. Then system.out.println, and you know that obj.a. So you are accessing this variable. So to which variable, that means to whom this variable is of object, and how this will access? This will be accessed by dot. So obj.a, this will print 10, and again if you are going to print system.out.println, so this will be print like this one, obj.b. Just compile it. Class compiled, no syntax error. Just run this one. You can see here, you can see this output 10 and 20. This is old one output, do not worry. 10 and 20 the output. So this is the question. So I think your new operators and dot operator is cleared by this video. So I hope you people watch this video again and again until your concept is not clear. And this new operator, where you will use this new operator for making the objects, and this dot operator is used for accessing the member variables and member methods. So thank you students for watching, and if you face any problem, then you can write the comment in the YouTube.